Hi, welcome back to the third questions in gravitational force and field strength. Okay, the gravitational field strength on the surface of the Earth is 9.81. The radius of the Earth is 6,400 kilometers. At what distance above the Earth's surface is the gravitational field strength reduced by 10%? Okay, seems like we have two locations. First one is on the surface, and another one is a certain distance above the Earth's surface. And it is talking about gravitational field strength, AG. Alright? Okay, so it's talking about this. Now, field strength on the surface and distance above the Earth's surface. And he's trying to compare between these two gravitational field strength. The second one is 10% less, reduced by 10%. Okay, so it is denoted as this one. Okay, in fact, the formula for gravitational field strength is gm over r square. Okay, gm over r square. The mass is the point mass. In our case, this is the Earth. The Earth. So the point mass is the Earth. It is the point mass that provide the gravitational field. Okay, the point mass provide the gravitational field. So our mass that provide the gravitational field now is the Earth. Okay, mass of Earth. Okay, and then the information given also, the field strength on the surface is 9.81. Field strength on the surface 9.81. The radius of Earth 6,400. Radius of Earth 6,400. Okay, now between these two locations, I put the on the surface. This one is on the surface. Okay, this one. Sorry. This one is on the surface. The A1 is on the surface. And A2 is at certain altitude or certain height. The H is called altitude or height. Certain distance away from the surface, which is A2. So this is the Earth, the mass of Earth, radius of Earth. So A1 is radius of Earth away from the center. A2 is radius of Earth plus h. Yeah, radius of Earth plus h away from the center of Earth. So now it says that the A2, okay, we can say the first one, this is A1. This is A1. And the second one is A2. It's saying that the A2 is reduced by 10% compared to the surface. So I can write like that. The A2 with certain height is 90% out of the gravity on the surface. Because it say reduced by 10%. Reduced by 10%, that means negative 10. Negative 10%, that means 100 minus 10 is 90. So A2 is 90% of A1. Okay? So now let's substitute the formula gm over r square. Okay, so the with height we put g mass Earth over the distance r. How far is A2 from the center? How far is A2 from the center? Is radius of Earth plus h. This is the r. Okay, radius of Earth plus h. Square, don't forget the square. And 90% out of the gravity on the surface. In fact, we can put 9.81. 9.81. But the thing is, it's not given the mass of Earth, isn't it? No mass of Earth given, only the radius of Earth. So we cannot find h. We want to find h. At what distance? So the question asks for the h. So we cannot find the h because we don't have the mass of Earth. So how to do? So actually we don't need to use the 9.81. We can just use the formula gm over r square. Okay, for the Earth surface is gm over, okay, the surface, how far is it from the center? Radius of Earth. Radius of Earth. See? So now actually we can cut the common. Cancel the common. GM and GM can cancel. The 0 here also can be cancelled. So now we can solve. So actually 9.81, not necessary. We don't use, this information is unnecessary. Okay? So now we can continue. The square, we put all to one side. So radius of Earth square over radius of Earth plus h square equal to 9 over 10. Okay, actually, this one we can square root both sides. Square root both sides. Why we square root? Because we want to eliminate the square. We want to eliminate the square. So after square root, it becomes radius of Earth over radius of Earth plus h equal to 9 over 10. Okay, which you will get 0.9487. And then you cross multiply, you multiply to the top, and you will get radius of Earth equal to 0.9487 radius of Earth plus 0.9487 h. And then you can just substitute the value of radius of Earth. Radius of Earth is the 6,400 exponent 3 meter. Yeah, convert to SI unit. Just now is kilometer, change to meter. Substitute inside here. And finally, we will get the answer h, which is 3.46 exponent 5 meter, which is also 346 kilometer away from the Earth's surface. Yeah, 346 kilometer above the Earth. Okay, this is the altitude or the height. This is the altitude or height from surface of Earth. Okay, so that's the answer. That's a H. All right. Okay, thank you. Bye.